Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will take lesson number 2. Ad-Darsu Sani. Ad-Darsu lesson. Athani second lesson. Dhalika. We have learned about Hada. Right now we will learn about Dhalika. Dhalika means that. Hada means this and Dhalika means that. Ma Dhalika. What is that? Dhalika najmun, that is a star. Hada masjidun, this is a masjid. Wadhalika baytun, and that is a home. Hada hisanun, this is a horse. Wadhalika himarun, and that is a donkey. Adhalika kalbun, is that a dog? La dhalika qittun, no, that is a cat. Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika sarirun, that is a bed. Man hada, who is this? Wa man dhalika, and who is that? Hada mudarrisun, this is a teacher. Wa dhalika imamun, and that is a imam. Ma dhalika, what is that? Dhalika hajarun, that is a stone. Hada sukkarun, this is a sugar. Wa dhalika labanun, and that is a milk. Tamreen, exercise. Iqra waktub, read and write down. Hada sukkarun wa dhalika labanun, this is a sugar and that is a milk. Man dhalika, who is that? Dhalika imamun, that is a imam. Dhalika kittun, is that a cat? La dhalika kalbun, no, that is a dog. Ma haza, what is this? هذا حجر حجر, this is a stone. الكلمات الجديدة, vocabularies, new words. إمام, meaning is imam, who leads the prayer. حجر means stone. سكر, meaning is sugar, and labanun, meaning is milk. So we have finished lesson number 2, and inshallah we will continue lesson number 3 in next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.